Okay.
Hello guys, yes. We got the new refrigerator today because nasira siya. So now, there is our new, really? I don't have. Yeah. There's a little bit electricity. so I need to go and see this. Our French door is finally arrived. And I need to see. And here, my husband get help with my brother-in-law. Tron. I want to see in Tron. Yes, I want to do it. Okay, now they're going to put it in the place. They're going to place it. Yes, here you go. Oh, beautiful.
Vi bare snu den nå.
Let's put it. Hello everybody, as you can see, this is a very good convenient refrigerator. Now we can just put this down. You can always put up if you want more space, for example. And the good thing I like about it is there's a room. See, this lock and this snack zone. See, and a lot of rooms, you know, there's a lot of rooms that you can put it in. And of course, I like this one, the snack zone. What kind of snack zone we can put here? Like maybe chocolate or just small things for the kids. They have also in another side here. Yeah, it's very comfortable having this AEG refrigerator. I so love it, guys. Here. Now we have our cabinet, our refrigerator cabinet. Oops. Yes. And the good thing about it is that there's 2 open doors, as you can see, son. And we can put it here, like for example, ice cream for the kids because they love ice cream. We can put also some smoothies because Demi and Astrid like smoothies. And then here at the bottom, yeah, so we can put it here, the meat. Yeah, so I don't need to go downstairs in the basement to get the meat, so I can just put it here. And then we have also another areas where you can put the vegetables, you know, like frozen vegetables, for example. So there's a lot of rooms, guys, that you can use it. So this is thing that I really love, having this French door refrigerator. So thank you, honey, for this very nice and very good quality refrigerator. I hope we can use it, this one, for long time. And of course, guys, I would like you to know the reason why we bought the new one is that yung old refrigerator namin, we got that one from Saninang pa ni Astrid, ang anak namin. So, nasira na siya. Just yesterday, when I opened it, nasira yung handle ng ref namin. Wala naman siyang sira technically inside, but only the handle one yung nasira. Pero still you can close it, you can open, yung handle lang talaga. I'm gonna show you this another, yeah, ayun yung nasira na sinasabi ko sa inyo na handle. Like this one, the handle. It should be here like this, yan, but nasira. Pero because there's no room for this side because it's very like tight, very near in the wall, so it's not easy to open. Buti na lang we have a small hand so we can open the ref, you know. So ayan, so we can keep that also, like if we want to put something inside, but then we have already the new one and it's big and a lot of room, so I don't think so we will keep this one. So if you guys want this one, so just let me know, so maybe I'm gonna just give it this away. Yes, this old, it's very nice. It's very beautiful actually. And if you have more space in your room, you don't need the handle because still you can just open here like this one. So yan, open. See, it's very nice also inside. It's a lot of also room. Wala lang siyang you know, the frozen area, but it's really nice. It's good quality as well. This one, you see? Ayan, kailangan lang ng clean. Ayan, so kung gusto nyo guys, so I can just give it this to you. Zanussi.